14-15. Let's go.
It looks good.
Kyla! Go, Kyla!
Come on, Kyla!
Go, go!
I'm gonna go over there.
Oh, she tried the
Yeah,
back kick.
come on,
Good.
Kai!
Yeah, those kicks got to hurt. Big weight difference. Look.
Lance McDonald.
Go, Kyla! You started out good. Don't peter out on us now.
Come on, Coco! Keep going!
Back kick's too slow.
She's playing her out.
Well, she's still in there. Let's see what happens. She's
It's a
got.
minute.
Yeah, it's only a minute round. I'm just saying that she did pretty good.
Come on, Kyla!
Yeah, gonna cut the Coco.
14-15. Boys, blue square. Girl,
Crazy girl.
red square. Let's go.
Well, at least she won't get tired of it. It's only a minute. Come on, Kai. She looked pretty good, I thought, there. I should have went on the other side before I could see the score, but... No. Both the girls that she's with are the same one she did the forms with. They're quite a bit bigger and quite a bit heavier.
14-15. Let's go.
Come on, Kai!
Yeah, that should have been a point if they counted it. Well,
14-15. Boys and girls.
that's it. Push her, Kai.
Push her, Kai!
Well, she hasn't gapped right out, so that's good.
Last call, 14-15.
Yep, there's the gap out.
She put up a fight.
I thought she looked okay. She looked